outside Le Kato Bay residence, and I'm going to show you its location. I'm going to show you how close it is to the main road and the surrounding and what's around it. So it's located a few minutes walk away from the main road. Actually, right next door to it, you've got Le Capricorne residence. So if any of you are thinking of staying here, they're right next door to each other. I actually saw both of the properties before deciding where to stay. I much prefer the accommodation in Le Kato Bay, but Le Capricorne has a much nicer pool if you're looking for a place with a pool. So it is a short walk. There's a number of residents. There's a few plots of undeveloped land, but that's normal in from what I've seen in the back roads of Mauritius. It is an island. You'll have bits of land which hasn't been built on, but isn't being kept either. So it's a quiet road, so you won't, if you're worried about hearing noise at night, you won't really hear anything. The only thing that you will hear are the kind of tropical sounds, so the birds, sometimes the dogs barking. Last night the frogs were croaking all night long. I don't know if it's their mating season, because I've been here a few days now, and actually that's the first time I've heard the frogs croaking away. These apartments here, I've actually seen them on Airbnb. So this is where they're located. I don't know. Obviously the pictures on Airbnb are highly saturated, and maybe when the building was new, because on the pictures the colours really pop. But even though it's really close, so the end of the main road is there, even though it's really close, the way the roads are, they probably should have just built a little gate here so that people could come out this side. I feel like you have to go all the way round to enter the complex. But to the right of me is a 3-star hotel, and to the left of me is another accommodation. So I went to see this place as well. Really cheap and cheerful, budget. I would say it's budget accommodation. And then on the right hand side you've got Dodo La Lodge, which is a 3-star hotel. But with the budget accommodation, what's it called? Chelsea Apartments. I mean, I wouldn't say there's anything Chelsea about it, but it's clean. And if you're not, it's clean, and if you're just looking for somewhere basic to stay, it's very affordable, but it just wasn't for me really. So right on the main road you've got Piccolo pizza and Mississippi fried chicken, and then to the left you've got a cash point. I mean, it's just after 7 in the morning, so all these shops are closed now. But there isn't much here. A little convenience store, a tour shop, I think an estate agents, and a diving centre, and then a cash point. So right on the other side of the road you have Pereybere Beach. So I'm not sure if these little shops, huts, used to be food vendors, but they've been pretty much closed the couple of weeks I've been in Pereybere. So a few of the places are closed. I don't know if they've been closed permanently or just haven't reopened yet. So there's a traffic light here that you can cross the road at, but just before you reach the traffic light, there is a Chinese restaurant. I don't know what's it called, Cafe de Pereybere, and they're open for lunch and dinner. So I'm just gonna cross over now and make my way to the beach. You've got the bus stop here that you get the bus to if you want to go further north. So up to Malheureux. I don't know where Coin de Mire Hotel is. Also, if you're going to Goodlands, you get the bus here. And on the other side of the road, where that scuba sign is, you get the bus to Kato Bay. So there's a lady who sells samosas here. And now we're at the beach. How are you? Yes, I'm good, thank you. Yes, yeah. And then you're here at Pereybere Beach. It's first thing in the morning, so the beach is shady. But as the sun rises, this whole area is in the sun. Just immediately here is a bit shady from the trees.